Hello guys, so today we will discuss the airflow from the DarkFlash DLV22 case, as you can see. So let's get started. I'll just remove my Darth Vader first. There you go. So the maximum fan you can put to the case is 120mm, and if happen na gusto nyong maglagay ng 140mm, just two sa front here. So it is placed somewhere here and then somewhere here also. So you will have a 3 intakes and 2 exhaust fan, or 2 intakes by 140mm or 2 exhaust from the rear. And I've seen some builder na naglagay ng 120mm fan from the top. Ito. So you can also consider that, but the thing is wala siyang mounting hole. Ito, yung lalagyan ng mga screw. So you have to DIY a bracket or a something like wire just to hold the fan from the top. And if you will notice, yung cooler na papasok sa case, which is here, dadaan mo na siya sa graphics card. So if you have a bulky or long graphics card, graphics card na may 3 fans, so somewhere here yung aabutin niyang haba. So mabablock talaga yung cooler na may higop ng CPU cooler. So imagine if you have a stock cooler, tapos yung hangin na may higop niya is halos na block na lahat ng graphics card. So you have to consider that. And also yung front panel niya may mesh, if you remember nung nag-unbox tayo. And if happen na consider nyo magpalit ng CPU cooler from the stock to tower or AIO, water cooling. So if tower CPU cooler sa market, ang max CPU cooler allowance niya is 167mm in height. So example is ilalagay yung aftermarket tower cooler is yung Cooler Master Hyper 212. Pagkakaalam ko is ang height niya is 160mm, so you will still have a 7mm na allowance. So medyo dikit na siya sa side panel. Yung side panel natin is tempered glass. And about naman sa AIO, water cooling, in case na gusto nyong yun ang ilagay nyo as a CPU cooler, example is yung ID cooling Aura Flow 240. Pwede nyo siyang ilagay dito sa rear, kasya siya dyan. If naman yung 360, yung 3 fan na radiator, pwede siya dito sa harap, pero consider nyo na yung kable dito lang siya sa baba. So impossible kasi na dito siya padaanin sa taas. So dito siya sa baba from the bottom, tapos dito siya nakakonect. Consider nyo din yung thickness ng radiator kung ilalagay nyo siya dito sa harap, especially for sure yung mga naka 360. Ito yung lapad niya, kasi kung hindi nyo makakalkula yan, baka tumama dito. So i-zoom ko lang. Yan yung space niya, allowance niya. So yung thickness niya parang malapad lang ng 1.5 ng width ng 120mm fan. And then yung sa bottom, yan. So possible dyan manggagaling yung tube nyo, so consider nyo rin tong allowance na to. By the way, yung hard disk drive may bracket pa yun sa ilalim eh. So kung tatanggalin nyo yon, mas bababa to. So mas magkakaroon ng clearance para sa tube ng inyong CPU AIO cooler. So yun lang guys, discussion natin about sa airflow ng DarkFlash DLV22 case. So susunod ulit. Bye.